What? What? No! No! That is the wonderful message that I was greeted with this morning. So we're going to try to do some quick diagnostics, figure out what this means, where the battery is that we even need to replace. I've got an idea already. But yeah, we've got some stuff to figure out. And we get to fix yet another thing on my Mercedes. Tools you will need for this repair: an 8mm socket, a 10mm socket, a socket extender, a T20 Torx bit, and a supportive significant other. Also, the repair part itself. Alright, so far our research has told us that it is buried down here. So first we got, this, you can't really see that, magical piece of plastic removed. Let's just boost that, why not? Yay! So we got the piece of plastic that's behind the glove box here removed. At which point we then ripped out the side trim here, which was fun. First, pull on the little tab. There's like a little white tab in there you'll see when you pull off the fuse box cover. Pull that, just manhandle the rest of it off like my dad did because I didn't want to. And then you start peeling this back, and we've got a few bolts we got to remove here. And hopefully the battery's behind there, because if it's not, we're all going to be happy. Guys, we've got the goods here. We've got our replacement part. Went ahead and just bought it off Amazon because it was cheaper and it was probably the quickest I was going to get it. And I probably should have gotten the official Mercedes part from Mercedes, but we're going to see if this works. And if this works, then you know what, it was cheaper and it was probably quicker, and I didn't have to drive my car. Not that it would blow up if I did drive it, but just safe than sorry, I guess. So what this actually is, it's not actually a battery. I mean, basically you pop the thing open and it's got a couple capacitors in it. What it really is a voltage converter. So even though it says auxiliary battery malfunction, what it really is a voltage converter. So that's what we're swapping out. I think I've got all the parts I need now, so let's get this thing open. We've got everything taken apart already still because we didn't put it back together. So we've got this wonderful hot mess down here. So we'll get this all put back together, see how it works, and hopefully everything's good. Alright, so here they are. Here's the old one. You can see it says Mercedes right on it. This has the old part number on it. Online listing has this one being the new part number. Now, basically, all of them, I believe, are remanufactured. I don't think you can truly get a new one. And this does not appear to be new. I mean, we've got a little grease stain on it here and there. So I'm guessing this probably is a remanufactured one, which really shouldn't be a problem since even the one you begin from Mercedes is remanufactured. So we're going to get this installed. It's going to go in. We're going to get it all hooked up. And hopefully we'll be good to go. Let's be smart about this. So before we put everything back together, let's actually start up the car and make sure that the air's gone away before, I put the entire thing back together and then find out it doesn't work. Let's find out that it does work and then put everything back together. So let's see here. We've got power. So far, no error. Alright, well, it looks like it's happy. We're not getting an error. Nothing's coming up. I think we're good. Alright, so we've got everything put back together. We're going to go on a little bit of a drive now. Make sure everything's really happy. Make sure everything's really working. It looks like everything's happy. Everything went back together all right. We tested before. We're going to go for quite a bit of a drive now. So as long as nothing else pops up, that is one way that you can fix the auxiliary battery issue on your Mercedes W205 series. I will have links in the description below to replacement parts for this, both from Mercedes Parts, Amazon, maybe even the place in Arizona. Can't think of their name right now. But anyhow, if you found this helpful, somewhat informative, please hit that thumbs up button, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. So long.